Download and install Outlook Email Converter Tool. Now, go to the Open tab. Software support different email clients and file formats. Choose Outlook Data Files. If you have MS Outlook email client configured on a machine, click on Open Configured Outlook Data Files. Otherwise, select Choose from a folder option. As you can see, different folders listed in the software interface on the left. Please choose the required Outlook folder. After that, click on that Outlook folder, and emails are listed one by one. Choose any Outlook email that preview you want to see in the software interface. It's time the tool preview email content and information. If that Outlook mail includes attachments, this tool allows you to open, save, and save all in one tap. So, choose as per the requirements. Now, go to the Export tab that lists multiple saving options. An extract option is available to take out email addresses, phone numbers, and attachments from Outlook files. Choose MBOX format for Outlook to MBOX conversion process. This time, first, check and uncheck the required folders to convert Outlook into MBOX format. Then, click on Browse and specify a location on your system to get the final results. As you can see, there are many options available in the software panel. So let us understand them, and then you decide whether to enable this option. The first is Open Folders after export is done. If you enable this feature, then the target folder where the output file saved gets automatically opened after the conversion. The next one is to create empty folders. Please disable this option so that you can avoid creating empty folders. The other one is to delete old folders. If you want to delete previously converted data from the destination folder, then please enable this option. The last is an Include Email Header. We recommend that you disable this option to remove headers from your output data to reduce output file size. Finally, click on the Save button. You can see the live process to convert Outlook to MBOX files in the software panel. After some time, a complete conversion message pop-ups on your screen as shown in the video. All the Outlook folders successfully converted into MBOX format. You're good to go. As you can see, all the Outlook mailboxes successfully converted to MBOX format with all the properties and elements.